Good morning, everybody. This is SC Country Girl. Just out here this morning while it's still cool, just looking at some of the progress we're making. We had a storm come in last night. We got some much needed rain. And I'm just out here in the garden just looking around to see what's going on. I see my sugar baby has gotten a little bit bigger. Cucumbers looking pretty good. I see one hiding back there. I'll come back and get that later. Yeah, like I said, I'm just out here just looking. Well, I let that one stay on too long. It's my American pickling cucumber. I'll just let that stay on and save that one for seeds. I'll always leave one or two. Squash plant is trying to do its thing. I'll come back and get that one. Yeah, we got a nice rain shower, downpour, I should say. But that's really what it was. Okra is looking good. These are my black-eyed peas. Black-eyed peas. See, right? And they have flowers on them. And have little small pea pods. Look at that. I'm excited about that. If I can get it to stay on the trellis. Maybe not. Okay. Here we go. Sorry about that. Have lots of flowers. I have a trestle. And these over here are my purple hull peas. And they're beginning to start to run a little bit. When they start running, I can kind of guide them over to this fence. And we have some flowers right here. Purple hull peas with a purple flower. How about that? One of my favorite peas. Some people call them field peas. That's generally what we call them where I'm from. Nevertheless, really good. Yep, this is not going to be a long video. Just taking stock of what happened last night. I'm just looking around. These are my sweet potatoes. Looking pretty good. Oh, got a little chubby Charleston gray. And lots of grass. That part, right? The grass. But anyway, we still have some little melons trying to come through. Well, they're not trying, they are coming through. And pollinators are out doing their thing. I'm trying not to disturb them. How about take a look at this? That's awesome. My first time growing a Charleston gray, and it's very sizable. I'm loving it. I'm loving the progress. My cantaloupe patch right there. It is still kind of slow going, but we'll get there. Of course, the corn loved that all that water they got last night. But yeah, but with water comes grass. And so far, so good on the corn. Like I said before in previous videos, we don't have success growing corn. But this year, this is the best our corn has looked in all the many tries that we've done. We'll come in here and get some of the grass out. And my husband said something about side dressing it. So, of course, if you don't know, corn loves water, and they're very heavy feeders of nitrogen. So we're going to come in with some nitrogen and get that done. But yeah, I hope everybody is having a good day, staying cool. Today's not supposed to be as hot as yesterday or the previous day, but the sunflowers are like so tall. They haven't begun to open yet, but I know they're going to be beautiful when they do. But yeah, y'all stay cool and have a good day. Be blessed. SC Country Girl signing off.